So there's like the first generation of models, the LLMs, right? That's what you think of as like ChatGPT or Meta AI
Mm-hmm.
or like the two most used ones. And that's basically, it's sort of like a chatbot, right? You ask it a question, it takes the prompt, it gives you a response. Now, the next generation of reasoning models are basically, instead of just having one response, they now are able to build out like a whole tree of how they would respond. So you give it a question, and it, instead of running one query, it's sort of, maybe it's running 1,000 queries or 1,000,000 queries to kind of map out, here are the things that I could do, and if I do that, then here's what I could do next. So it's a lot more kind of expensive to run, but also gets you better reasoning and is more intelligent. Um, that stuff, I think you do need to be very careful about how you like what the guardrails are that you give it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's also, I think, the case that, um, at least for the next period, it's going to take a lot of compute to run those models and do a lot of the stuff that they're talking about. So I don't know. I think one of the interesting questions is like, how much of this are you going to actually be able to do on a pair of glasses or on a phone
Mm-hmm.
versus is like a government or a company that has like a whole data center going to be able to do? And it'll always get efficient.